video for so long, but I'm here again, and I am doing a slime video, another slime video. This is my slime channel. Check out my brother's channel, I'll leave it in the description. I just did a video not very long ago, and make sure you check out that video too. So I still have some glue left in here. I'm going to use most of it. Here, I'm going to switch it. Okay, there we go, because you guys couldn't see me at all, so I did that here. I'll show you guys whenever I put the glue in. Now I'm going to make yellow and red. Dots yellow and dots red. Dots yellow. The dot red. And I'm going to mix those together.
Oh, now we did it. There you are. Push all the buttons. Oh, there we are. It just needed batteries. There we go. She's happy. She can push the buttons.
So now I'm going to mix this up. And it's like a sunset color. It's like a sunset color, but I still have to mix all this stuff up. On the bottom you can see it's still like really white. So I don't want to add too much color and then it not work. Alright, now I'm going to add a pinch or two of this. This time I'm not going to put foam beads because I just feel like I don't want to put them in this slime. This slime's a really good slime. I don't feel like I'll put foam beads in it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Did you see how I put that in there? Okay, look at this. You see this? Watch. Okay, look. Look how much comes out. 2 or 3 dots. 3 or 4 dots, okay? And then I'm going to mix it up. And then look, see how it's not coming together and it's still like a big watery goo? Well, guess what? I'm not going to put, I'm going to get another
Bye, love you. Love you.
The baking soda, you see it?
Bye-bye, love you.
I drop that in. And then I get my hands and I either wipe them on something or plastic glue and watch it and wash them. So see how I mix that up? And mix that up. And then put in a couple more dots. Sometimes I do a little bit more than dots. Because I don't want it to take forever. Like, see? If I put in that again, see how it's already starting? Look, see how I got it on my hands and it's still like good? It's okay. It does wash out. It is okay. That's why this. Yes, I'm wiping my hands on my pants because I just feel like I want to. So see? Oh, look. See, it's starting to turn into slime and come together. Mixing it up, see how it's getting thick. Now look, I can touch it. If it's not good, then I wipe my finger off on the side, add in some more of this, mix it up, and I just keep doing that over and over and over. The rest of it I'm going to do in a quick so that you guys don't have to really take that much time. Okay, my fingers are red. Just making the slime red. So, okay, that's good. No, juice. It's not slime. It's not slime. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it was not slime and I got it on my hands. See, look, it's not slime. See how it was just the glue? Put some stuff on it. And now it's slime. Okay.
Be
Mix this
careful.
up for a
Don't get
sec.
too close to the steps. Look down. Back up. Okay, now do it.
Look. You see how I do that? I pull the stuff off.
What are you doing?
See how I do that?
Back up.
See how
Don't
I
do that
pull the
close
stuff
to
off?
the steps.
Along the way is
Why are
where
you
we
such a
find
big-
the unexpected.
Go.
Along the way is where we
Be
take
careful.
If you get it on because it does wash out.
Be careful.
Sure.
So,
Along the way can be the place we stop to fill up.
Why are you trying to rip that off the wall, you weirdo?
so. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it on like my table or something. And in just a second, I'm gonna switch you guys up. But for right now, I'm just going to keep you guys like that.
Is that what you've been saving for?
So,
Whoa!
yes, if I could mix it up the whole time, look.
I'm planning to
It's still not on, so it gets more contact. Square it over.
while saving for the kids.
I got this like donut slime kit, and the slime didn't turn out. I had to throw it away. So I still have that activator because I got like a whole thing of activator and I didn't even use half of it. I used probably like not even an inch of it. So
What?
see, like at the bottom since I made so much, there's still some in there. It's okay, just mix that up. Put some contact or whatever you're using in there. Mix it up. Take it out. Put that in there.
Jay, come on. Whoa.
And see your container. Oh no, my container's burnt. No, it's not. You just wash it, okay?
Yeah.
I understand. I'm really quiet, guys, but
Yeah.
I love this slime. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's orange.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna switch guys up to where you can
One
see
more.
the table.
Good job.
Alright guys, I am back after switching it up, and here is the slime. It is a really good slime.
Yeah, because I could dig one if you want, and I got one I used, and she was like, oh my gosh, yes. Oh, thanks. You still in it? Yes, you are.
So,
She
I'm
was
gonna
like,
try
yeah.
and see if I can make a
My
bubble for you
mine now are
guys.
so smooth. You're
Ooh,
like,
I'm trying to do
even
that.
mine are just rough.
I know. I don't really usually make bubbles a lot, so.
Yeah.
You can put foam beads in it, but I'm not going
Yeah,
to.
you.
I think it messes up the slime. It makes it harder. If you're going to put foam beads in it, you need to leave your slime sticky.
Get rid of all that time.
I forgot to tell you guys that, like, sticky. Like, not like this, like, look. Whenever I squish it, it doesn't stick to me.
All right.
Whenever I squish it, it's supposed to be.
Oh, sorry. Video.
Yeah. Okay, so here's this one, and I'm going to pause this and finish off the glue. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back, and here is the orange one I just made. It's like a yellowy, orangey color. It's kind of sticky, but that's okay. And here's the one I made earlier. That's the like orangey color. I'm going to mix these together. I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie, so you guys can watch. Ready? Wow. Yeah, I'm going to pause this real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's better for you guys to see the slime smoothie. So, guys. Now I'll make some bubbles. I'll make 4 bubbles, and you guys tell me in the comments down below which one you think won. Here we go. That was a small one. This one, I don't think so. With the harness on the machine. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good one. That didn't count. I was just pulling that one up. second one. Ooh, you hear that, guys? That's really good. If you use contact or borax, it smells really bad. And if you use Tide and you don't like the smell of Tide, then it smells bad too. There's not really anything that smells good. Okay, so there's number 3. Here's the last one. So far, I think number 2 is winning, but you tell me in the comments down below because I can't see it. So. Oh, I'm still going. I don't know. I couldn't tell between 2 and 3, but listen. Stretch is really good. I kind of overactivated one of them, but. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked my videos. Tomorrow after I go to school, I'm going to bring another video. It might be a video I'll just be talking to you guys about like my squishies and stuff. So
You should get ready to leave the room.
yeah.
Like, where are you going?
So
You know,
So here is the end results of the slime. It's really good, but I'm not gonna add floam beads in it right now. I might add it. Bye guys, I gotta go watch the boys. Bye bye.